Welcome to the West Claremont High School Pickup and Drop-Off video tutorial. You can find a full map of our instructions and routes on our website at westclair.org. We have 4 main routes, 2 on Bach-Buxton and 2 on Clough Pike, starting with the Clough Pike-Clough Woods intersection. From all of our entrances, you can enter from the left or the right. Here, we're entering with a left turn off Clough Pike. As you enter our campus, please make sure you're on the lookout for all crosswalks and our parking monitors. Our parking lot monitors will direct you so that all cars are stacked up on our curbs so that we can quickly and efficiently load and unload our students. If the parking lot monitor is not available, the general rule is to pull as far forward in front of the healthplex along the curb as possible. Once you have loaded or unloaded, you can take this first left or the second left into the parking lot to get back into the loop. We do use barricades in this route so that your only option is to continue in the loop and keep our parking lots moving efficiently. From here, you can turn left or right back onto Clough Pike. Here's a diagram of the loading and unloading area. During pickup, there are no major differences, but here's an overview of the route for the Clough Pike-Clough Woods route. Next is the Clough Pike Stadium route. It's perhaps our most efficient and speedy route. Turning right into and behind the stadium, there will be a barricade. You'll follow through to this serpentine and along the parking lot. Again, as you drive on campus, please be mindful of crosswalks and parking monitors giving directions. The entire length of the western side of the healthplex is available for drop-off in the AM. At this point, you may notice some of our seniors turning right into the senior lot to park. But for adults and parents just dropping off or picking up, you will continue straight and then turn left at the wing gate to go back and around the stadium. Please be mindful of the several sets of speed bumps through this route. While this is typically the fastest route to load and unload your student, it is the only exit that is right turn only. In the afternoon when picking up, you actually have 2 options to pick up your student. One, on the right by the healthplex where you may have dropped them off in the morning. The other is just before that on the route, alongside the stadium, where the student approaches from the left. You can see those pickup areas on the diagram. On the Bach-Buxton side, there are 2 routes. Starting with the one nearest the athletic fields, you can turn left or right into the drive. At this point, please be careful for all of our juniors turning left into the junior lot. For those picking up or dropping off, you'll continue straight, turning left at the wing gate and down the road that cuts through or between the senior lot and the junior lot. Again, please be mindful for the speed bumps and students using the crosswalks. After turning right and merging with traffic, please also be mindful of seniors turning right into their lot. If you approach, please be mindful of the crosswalk and speed bump. The parking lot monitor will direct you forward. If the parking lot monitor is not available, please pull as far forward on the curb as possible so that we can quickly and efficiently load and unload all students. If you are pulling around due to a stopped vehicle, please check for traffic before pulling into the next lane. Past the flagpole, you have 2 options to leave. Here, we demonstrate going straight and exiting left or right through the Bach-Buxton Academic Wing exit. The other option is to turn left around the flagpole, and that will have you exit through the Bach-Buxton Athletic Field exit. The wing gate will be closed during pickup and drop-off. And again, a reminder to be mindful of all crosswalks and speed bumps. Once here, you can exit left or right onto Bach-Buxton. The other entrance is nearest our academic wing, where again you can turn left or right into this entrance. From here, you must turn right before the flagpole. From here, look for any merging traffic and get into the left lane so that you can turn left into the drop-off area. Here also, be careful of merging traffic from the other Bach-Buxton entrance. Speed bumps and crosswalks, and pay attention to your parking lot monitor. Please be reminded to check for traffic if you are pulling around a vehicle that is stopped. From here, you have the same set of options as the other entrance. First, demonstrating turning left around the flagpole. This will get you back to the Bach-Buxton Athletic Field exit. Again, use the outside lane. The wing gate on the right will be closed, and as you cross, check the crosswalks and be mindful of the speed bumps. The other option is to go straight past the flagpole, and that will leave you at the Bach-Buxton Academic Wing exit, where you can turn left or right back onto Bach-Buxton. Major differences for either of the Bach-Buxton routes at pickup. Here, you can see a diagram of the curb area where you can load and unload your student. Check for traffic if you have to pull around, and again, you have the same set of options: left around the flagpole or straight and out the exit. We also ask that everyone use these official routes and not unauthorized drop-off and pickup spots that would require your student to cross Bach-Buxton or Clough Pike. Thanks for watching these video tutorials to help keep our campus safe and our arrival and dismissal process efficient. At West Claremont, together we rise.